India remains one of the most affected by the coronavirus pandemic as it has reached 6th place in the list of countries reporting maximum coronavirus cases. As per the data shared by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, India now has 2,36,657 cases of coronavirus. Out of them, 1,15,942 are active cases, whereas 1,14,073 have been cured, discharged, or migrated. The death toll due to coronavirus in India has reached 6,642. India reported 9,887 new COVID-19 cases and 294 deaths in the last 24 hours. Maharashtra remains the worst affected state with 80,229 cases. Among them, 42,224 are active cases, 35,156 have been cured, whereas the death toll stands at 2,849. The state is followed by Tamil Nadu with 28,694 cases, Delhi with 26,334 cases. Gujarat remains the fourth most affected state with 19,094 cases and 1,190 deaths. India and China military commanders will hold talks again today to end tensions between the forces in eastern Ladakh region. Reportedly, this meeting will be held in Moldo in China. This will include Lieutenant General Harinder Singh, the commander of 14 Corps from the Indian side, and Major General Liu Lin from the Chinese side. Now, Liu Lin is the commander of the South Xinjiang military zone. Earlier on Friday evening, there was a conversation between the officials of the foreign ministries of both the countries. Sources said that both countries believe that differences should be resolved through peaceful negotiations. According to sources, India will present a special proposal to China to reduce tension between the two forces in Pangong Tso, Galwan Valley and Demchok. For the last 1 month, a confrontation between the armies of the two countries is taking place in these areas. It is believed that India will offer to maintain the position which has been in this area before China. Till now, the two countries have held talks about the recent tension. These conversations has taken place between the local commander level and even the officers of the rank of Major General. However, so far, these discussions have not yielded any positive results. 6 officials of the Enforcement Directorate have tested positive for coronavirus and the headquarters of the probe agency has been sealed for 2 days. Over 10 officers who came into contact with the infected official have been quarantined. Recently, a junior rank officer who works at the establishment branch of the headquarters had tested positive for the virus. He was on deputation to the investigative agency from a central paramilitary force. The Enforcement Directorate, a central agency that probes money laundering and hawala crimes, sanitizes its office building twice a week, and only those employees who are required for work on a given day report to the office. Over 90 passengers were sent to quarantine center after a 65-year-old woman was found positive for novel coronavirus hours after her death at the Jaipur railway station on Thursday. The woman had arrived in the capital city travelling via a train from Mumbai to Jaipur. As soon as she reached the railway station, she fainted and died at the platform after primary treatment. The body was taken for further test and on Friday night her samples tested positive for COVID-19. 91 passengers of the same coach in which the woman travelled were immediately quarantined to contain the spread of deadly virus. Reliance Industries Limited on Friday said that American private equity giant Silver Lake and co-investors will invest an additional 4,546.80 crore rupees in Jio Platforms for a total equity stake of 2.08%. The aggregate investment by Silver Lake now stands at 10,202.55 crore rupees. The private equity giant had on May 4th bought 1% of Jio Platforms for $750 million. This will be the 7th investment in Reliance Industries Limited in quick succession.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.